Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete comments on your Instagram. Instagram is a popular social media platform primarily focused on photo and video sharing. In order to delete comment on Instagram, first you'll need to open your Instagram app. Once you open your Instagram app, you will see your home page. From there, you'll need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to Instagram profile where you can see all your posts. Now, you'll have to tap on the post that you have posted. Here, you can see your likes, comments and share. In order to see your comments, you'll have to tap on the button right next to the heart. And here you can see a comment. In order to delete that, you'll have to long press on the comment that you want to delete. Then a menu will pop up that has option to pin, restrict, report, block account and also delete. Remember, you can only delete comment from your own post. You cannot delete comments from someone else's Instagram post. Now, you'll have to tap on the delete option on the very last. And just like that, your comment has been deleted. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like, share and subscribe. Thank you.